Now, this is an example of content creators that generally know their content is just going to be thrown about everywhere. Their content, this clip right now, can be found on no less than 100 other fan pages in a matter of just a minute. In a matter of 10 minutes right now, whatever, we can go and we can find this same clip everywhere. We can do the same thing with pretty much every single one of their clips, right? So even though they have a Facebook fan page of, you know, whatever this is, 1 million followers, they got a Facebook fan page with 1 million followers. Just because they do, it's still going to be everywhere. Like, for example, let's look at this one. You know, here they all are. Here's a bunch of videos all about them, but it's on another one, right? And the thing is, there's just hundreds of pages like this. Okay. So this is kind of the concept of these faceless pages is somebody has said, wow, these videos are really good.